afternoon everyone. Welcome back to today's online session of grade 2nd. Okay children, in today's class we will be solving the remaining question answers of the poem unit number 1, Leopard, Beetle, and there was a young girl called Maggie. Okay children, in the previous class we have completed 5 questions. Okay children, in the previous class we have completed 5 question and answer. And in today's class we will be solving the question number 6, that is how did the shopkeeper solve the problem? Okay children, how did the shopkeeper solve the problem? Okay children, he gave the beetle 3 different shoes. Okay children, 3 pairs of different shoes. He gave 3 different pairs of shoes and the beetle was happy. Okay children, how did the shopkeeper solve the problem? He gave 3 different types of shoes to the beetle because the beetle is having 6 legs, means 3 pairs of legs. So he gave 3 different pairs of shoes and the beetle was happy. Okay children, now let us move to the 7th question. How many pairs did the beetle buy? How many pairs did the beetle buy? How many pairs did the beetle buy children? The beetle buy 3 pairs. Okay, the beetle buy 3 pairs because it is having 6 legs. Okay, for 2 legs 1 pair, one more 2 legs 1 pair and one more 2 legs 1 pair. So total 3 pairs. Okay children, in 1 pair there will be 2 shoes. Okay children, so how many pairs did the beetle buy? 3 pairs. Let us move to the next question. This dog belonged to. This dog belonged to whom children? The dog belonged to Maggie. Okay, this dog belonged to Maggie. Okay, whose dog it is children? In the poem, whose dog? Maggie's dog. So the dog belonged to Maggie. Who is the owner of the dog? Maggie is the owner of the dog. So the dog belonged to Maggie. Okay. Now let us move to the 9th question. Describe this dog. Okay children. Here in the textbook, open your page number 11 children. Open page number 11 from your textbook. Okay, start writing in the textbook. You have to write in both the books children, in the notebook also and in the textbook part also. You have to write the question and answers. Okay, you have to write the question answers in the textbook page number 11. Start writing children. You have to write the question answers in the textbook part as well as in the notebook, which is your class work notebook. In your class work notebook also you have to solve all the question answers. Okay children, hope your doubt is solved now. Now describe this dog. 9th question is describe this dog. The dog was enormous and shaggy. Okay children, describe means varnane maduvudu. Okay, the dog was enormous, very big and shaggy, very hairy, and its front end looked vicious and grim, means cruel and not smiling at all. The front end looks vicious and grim. but the back end looks very friendly and waggy. So like this, we have to describe the dog. Okay children, describe this dog. If the question arises, describe this dog, you have to write, the dog is very enormous and shaggy. The front end look very vicious and grim, and the back end is very friendly and waggy. Okay children, the dog was enormous and shaggy. Its front end looked vicious and grim, but the back end was friendly and waggy. So this is the 9th question children. Okay. Take the screenshot of this children so that later on you can write it in the textbook part. Who want, you can take the screenshot children. Take the screenshot children. Okay. Now let us move to the 7th question, that is, 10th question, that is, let me rub the 6th one. The 10th question is, it was dash and dash. It was dash and dash. So what we have to fill here children? It was enormous and shaggy. So here we have to write enormous. In the first blank, we have to write enormous. And shaggy. Okay, children, it was enormous and shaggy. So this is the 10th question. Let us move to the 11th one children. 11th one is, was it friendly? Was it friendly? Was the dog was friendly children? No. Or yes children? Yes or no? Was the dog friendly? Its back end looks friendly and waggy. So we have to write yes. Was it friendly? Yes. What is the answer children? Was it friendly? Its back end was friendly. So we have to write yes. Answer is yes. Let us write the 12th question. How do you know? How do you know? Though its front end looked vicious and grim, and back end of the dog is very friendly and waggy. They are asking, how do you know? How do you know was it the friendly or not? What is the dog, friendly or not? How do you know? How do you know that dog was friendly or not? So, though its front end looked vicious and grim, and its back end was friendly and waggy. Okay, children, its back end was friendly and waggy. Was it friendly? Yes, we have to write yes for that. How do you know? Though its front end looked vicious and grim, its back end was friendly and waggy. Okay, children, take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of this, children. Okay, children, the next question is give it a name. 13th one, give it a name. So which name you wanted to give this dog, children? You can write any name, okay, by your choice. So now I am going to write Tommy for this dog. I am giving this dog Tommy name. You can also give any name for this dog, children. Okay. Now let us open page number 12. Okay, children. Let us open page number 12 from your textbook. Okay, children. You need to open page number 12 from your textbook. So here we have, see the next question, children. 13th question. 14th question. How many legs do these animals have? Okay, children. Can you see these animals in the picture? Can you see these animals, children? So here, how many legs do these animals have? How many legs do these animals have? So look at the first picture, children. Look at the first picture. What is the name of this animal? What is the name of this animal, children? Octopus, right? So what is the name of this animal? Octopus. So how many legs this animal is having, children? How many legs does the octopus has, children? 14th one. How many legs this animal is having, children? First one, octopus, 8. So you have to write 8. Okay? You have to write 8. Octopus is having 8 legs. Okay, children? 8 legs. Look at the second picture, children. Look at the second picture. Which insect is this, children? This is spider. Okay. So how many legs a spider is having, children? How many legs does the spider have? The spider is also having 8 legs. Okay. Spider, 8 legs. Third one. What is this? What is this, children? This is a cockroach. So how many legs does the cockroach has, children? How many legs does the cockroach has? It has 6 legs. Okay children, 6. The next one is snake. Can you identify this animal, children? This is snake. Does the snake have any legs, children? No. The snake doesn't have any legs. So we have to write here nil. Nil means no legs. Okay. The fifth one is earthworm. So how many does this insect has? How many legs does this insect has, children? It has many legs. Can you count, children? Many legs are there. Okay. So here we have to write many legs. Okay, many legs. Okay children, now let us see the let's talk part. Okay children, let us see the let's talk. Okay, the leopard, the beetle and the dog, all are animals, children. The leopard, the beetle and the dog, all are animals. Are they alike? Are they look like same? No. Okay children, are they different? Yes, they are different from each other. Okay children, they are different to each other. Leopard looks different, beetle also looks different, dog also looks different. They don't look like alike. Okay children, they don't alike. Alike means same. They are not looking like same. They are different. And look at your all classmates. Look at your all classmates, children. All your friends. Okay? You can see now, children, your friends, your classmates in the classroom. You can see your classmates. All of you are having 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 nose, 2 hands and 2 legs. So here they have given, right children, here all of you have 2 eyes. Here ears beside you have to write 2. Nose beside you have to write 1. Because you are having only 1 nose. And hands, there is a gap, children. There is a gap. So we have to fill it with 2. We have 2 hands. Okay. And 2 legs. So we have to fill it with 2 ears, 1 nose, 2 hands and 2 legs. Fill those blanks, children. You have to write 2 ears, 1 nose, 2 hands and 2 legs. Okay children, complete this. Okay children, now look at, but do any 2 of you look alike? Yes children, you are looking alike, you are looking same, you are having same parts of the body, but the animals are having different parts. They are having 6 legs, some are having 8 legs, but the human beings are having 2 legs, 2 hands, 1 nose, 2 eyes, 2 ears. We all human being looks the same, children, but the animals look different. Okay, some are having many legs. Okay, some are having few legs. Now look at the bow wow part, children. Okay, now look at the bow wow part, children. There are many dogs. Okay, children. Now look at the bow wow part. You can see bow wow part. So here there are different types of dogs. Okay, children. There are different types of dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 different types of dog. They have the different names, children. Here the first one is poodle. The second one is Dachshund. The third one is Great Dane. The fourth one is Dalmatian. The fifth one is Spaniel. The sixth one is Terrier. The seventh one is Chihuahua. Okay, the eighth one is Collie. Okay, Poodle, Dachshund, Great Dane, Dalmatian, Spaniel, Terrier, Chihuahua and Collie. So these are the different types of dogs. Okay, children, in dogs there are different types. Okay, they all looks different. Okay, the shape of their body, the color of their body is different from each other. So here there are some questions, so we have to answer these questions, children. So the first question is, how does a dog show that it is happy? Now let us write these question answers, children. How does so here so the first question in this is, how does a dog show that it is happy? So how does the dog show that it's happy? By wagging its tails. Okay, children, when the dog is wagging its tail, it shows that it is very happy. When the dog is moving its tail, bala, tail means bala, moving its tails here and there, so it's look like it is very happy. So the answer is, when a dog shows that it is happy by moving, by wagging its tail. Okay, children, answer is, a dog shows that it is happy by wagging its tail. Okay, children, the dog shows that it is happy by wagging its tail. Now let us move to the next question, children. In the page number 12, the second question is, how does a dog show that it is angry? How does the dog shows that it is angry. How does the dog shows that it is angry, children? By barking. Barking means boguludu. Okay. The dog shows that it is angry by barking and grinning. Grinning means not smiling at all. Okay, children. The dog shows that it is angry by wagging. By wagging its tail. By wagging and grinning. Okay, children, the dog shows that it is angry by wagging and grinning. So this is the second answer, children. Now take the screenshot of this, children, so that later on you can write. Take the screenshot of this, children. Now let us move to the third question. So the third question in the page number 12 is, what do dogs eat? Okay, children, what do dogs eat? Dogs eat biscuits, then meat, okay children, then bones, and yes, dogs eat biscuits, bones and meat. That's all, children. The third one is, what do dogs eat? Dogs eat bones, meat and biscuits. Etc. So children, dogs eat meat, bones and biscuits, etc. Now look at the fourth question, children. What do pet dogs wear round their necks? Okay, children. The dogs wear small belt around their necks, and that shows they are pet dog. Okay, children. The dogs are wearing small belt in the neck. That shows they are the pet dogs. Okay, let me write the question. What do pet dogs wear round their necks? Dogs wear a small belt their neck. Okay, children. So this is the fourth answer. The pet dog wear a small belt around their neck. Now look at the fifth question, children. Which animal do dogs chase? Okay, the fifth question is which animal do dogs chase? Usually dogs chase cats and other dogs, hens and cocks. Okay, children. Which animal do dogs chase? Usually dogs chase cats, other dogs, hens and cocks. Okay, children. Chase means kadisudu. Okay. Usually dog chase cats, other dogs, hens and cocks. Okay, children. Which animal do dogs chase, children? Usually dogs chase cats, other dogs, hens and cocks, etc. Okay, children. Take the screenshot of this. Yes, let me write the sixth question. The last question is, if you had to chosen a pet, which kind of a dog would you have chosen? Okay, children, from these all animals, from these all the dogs, which dog would you have chosen if you had to choose the pet dog? Okay, so I would have chosen the Dalmatian. It is your choice which dog you want to choose. Okay, children. So let me write the sixth question. If you had to choose a pet, which kind of dog would you have chosen? I would have chosen the Dalmatian. Okay, children, so this is the answer. You can choose any animal, you can write any dog name there, children. Okay. If you had to choose a pet, which kind of a dog would you choose, children? I would have chosen the Dalmatian. You can write the any other dog name instead of this. This is your choice. Okay, children? Now, look at the page number 13. Look at the page number 13, children. Odd one out. Say the names of the object in the box. One object does not begins with the sound of the letter given in red color and circle the object. We have to choose the odd one object here. Okay, children? All the things are here starting from the letters they have given in the small box here in the red color. Okay, children? In the first box, look at the first box, children. There is a C letter in the red color. Okay, children? C letter. So, the things are here cane, cup, car. And the fourth one is sweet. So, sweet is not starting from C letter. It is starting from S letter. So, we have to circle sweets. Okay, children? So, here you have to circle sweets. Okay? Circle sweets, children. You have to circle the odd one here. So you have to circle sweets. It is not starting from C letter. Okay. First one is cane, cup, car. The fourth one is sweet. So it is not starting from C letter. So we have to circle it. Okay. Look at the second picture. Here we have frog, flag, fish and pot. So pot is not starting from F letter. So we have to circle pot here. Okay, children. Now look at the third picture. So here we have scissors, snake, leaf and socks. So here leaf is not starting from S letter. So we have to circle leaf. So this is the odd one here. Okay, children. Now look at the next picture. So here we have hand, house, gate, hat. So all these are starting from H letter and the gate word is not starting from H letter. So we have to circle gate here. Okay, children. Now look at the next one. Here we have watch, owl, window and web. So these all starting from W and owl is not starting from W. So circle the owl. Now look at the next one, children. Next picture, T. Here television, top, tent. These all three are starting from T letter and the dog is not starting from T letter. So circle the dog. Okay, children. Now look at the next picture. So here we have pear, panda, bag, pan. So this pear, pan, bag are starting from pear, panda and pan are starting from P letter and bag is not starting from P letter. So circle the bag. Okay. Now look at the next picture. So here we have ladder, mat, lamp, leg. So mat is not starting from here L letter. So we have to circle mat. Okay, children. Now look at the next one. Here we have deer, bed, box, bell. So here deer is not starting from B letter. Bell, box, bed are starting from B letter. So circle the odd one. Which is the odd one here? Deer. Deer, mat, bag, tent, owl, gate, leaf, pot and sweets are the odd one. Circle these all the which are odd one in the picture, children. Okay. Hope you have understood. Now Look at the next picture, children. Here we have circle. Let us pair them. Okay, children. Here we have one more picture. So here let us circle the things that always come in pairs. Circle the things that always comes in pairs. So here bag, shoes, hand gloves, sunflower, pencil, socks, scissor, treasures means pant, candle, spectacles and ball. So which comes always in pairs, children? Shoes. Circle the shoes. Then hand gloves. They always come in pair. Pair means two. Okay. Then socks. Circle the socks. Shoes, hand gloves and socks. They always come in pairs. Pairs means two. Okay. In one combo, in one piece, when in one pair there are two things, children. Okay. So here shoes, hand gloves and socks are the pairs. Okay. Here we have completed our first unit poem and the question answers, children. Okay, in the next class we will be starting our new topic. Hope you all have understood today's class, children. You have to write this all the question answers whatever I have written on the board in the classwork notebook as well as in the test book also. Okay, children, you have to complete lesson number 1 question answers in the test book part also as well as in your classwork notebook. So this is your today's homework. Complete the classwork and test book. Complete the classwork and text is your today's homework. Okay, children. Now this is the time to end our today's class. Let us meet in the next session till. Okay, children. Bye bye. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.